Thank you! Dito na tayo. Ayun sila, Kylie. Yes. Dito na tayo sa... Nakarating na tayo dito, guys. Tingnan nyo yung aking suot pa din. Slipper from Bali Garden. Mamaya lang mag-change. Nandito yung sapatos ko. That's it. Ang happy ni Kuya.
Rabbit?
You like my slippers?
Yes, they're the best.
Yeah.
I think I'm taller than you when I have shoes on.
You think so? Meron akong 8 minutes dito, guys, sa aking SD card. Ayun, bumibili sila ng tubig doon. Dito lang tayo. With my beautiful slippers. Yung aking shoulder, ayun, bakat na bakat yung ano ng ating bag. Kasi mabigat siya.
That might not be allowed, Mum.
What's that? Thank you.
What's that for?
Kumuha sila ng mga lollies. I'm good. It's good? Thank you. Yeah. Pasok na tayo sa immigration, guys. Immigration na tayo. Ang tibay ng aking tsinelas. Para siyang papel. Tapos na kami sa immigration. Hinahanap na namin yung gate namin. Ano pa lang naman, 9 o'clock yung flight namin. I don't know. The big statue? Yeah? Kasi hindi na namin napunta yung big statue, diba? Kung maalala nyo. Nung nag-adventure kami ni Isa.
The biggest statue.
Yeah. You seen it? Is it nice? Huh?
Big.
Big, I know.
You can still see it even in the dark.
Yeah.
Is this where we are here?
Yep. Yeah.
Here, you want to have a look?
Yeah. You think they can see it? No, hindi makita yung statue. Okay, upo na kami dito. Dito na tayo sa plane, guys. And, ayan. Meron akong sports jacket and then blazer. Baba, you have to put that one because it's gonna be cold later.
I'll put it on later.
And then yung boys. Ayan si John, si Joe.
I'll turn my video on.
Yeah. Meron pa pala ako ditong tirang mangosteen. Kailangan ko na itong kainin kasi hindi ito pwede madala papuntang Australia. So, kainin ko ito. May dalawa ako. Ayan. May guava nga eh. Yung guava. So, hindi ko na yung kainin. Pero eto, kainin natin. Kanina, nanonood pala sila ng movie. Iniscan lang nila dito. Ayan, pwedeng manood ng movie. Tigas na ng aking mangosteen. Hindi ko na siya mabuksan. So, eto na ang kainin ko. Yung Jerry Salute. Masarap to. Sweet cheese. Si Saking ihina doon. Kahit manonood ako ng movie. Ang lasa nito ay maalat-alat na matamis. May tamis na konti. Tapos may cheese sa ibabaw. Basta masarap siya para sa akin. Not us. Yeah. Good morning. Dito na tayo sa Melbourne. Hinihintay na namin yung aming luggage. Tapos na kami sa sa immigration. Go, Sak. Go, Sak.
called now, brother.
Oh, I got it.
Yan, sa car yan si Johnny Boy. Ang traffic doon sa kabila. Papasok ng city? Are they going to the city, Han? Yeah. Traffic sa kanila doon.
It's not like that in the morning. That's
Yeah.
why now.
Oh, yeah. Grabe, ang haba talaga ng ano nila, pila dito. Sabi ni Jen's getting overworse pa daw yan. Ang haba.
Would you be there for then? Is there a different way to the city?
Look at that. No, Han. Oh my God. I know. As in, grabe yung traffic dito. Papuntang, city. Kanina pa hanggang ngayon, ang haba pa din, oh. Oh. Makas! First makas! Ang lamig! What are you gonna have? Mocha dog? Oh, kasi ito. How about makas? You love?
Why?
You said that's your favorite.
In Bali, I'm just gonna get a battered hot dog. That's what.
Ah, okay. Buttered
And a
hot
potato
dog.
cake.
622 dito sa South, Victoria. Potato cake. Wait for Daddy. Not the spicy one. Hi, so.
I'm crazy.
What are you gonna get, Kuya? Oh, hindi sila magmamakas. Kami lang ni Jan. Si Holly gusto niya yung chicken doon. Yung vinegar chicken. What's that? Sa kanya, buttered hot dog. Kuha sila ng sauce. Oh, not too much ha. Not too much of chicken salt. He never likes McDonald's in Australia.
He's trying to tell me it's not a dippy dog. Obviously, the only difference is it hasn't got a stick in it, mate.
You know, Zachary. Where's my hot chocolate? Hindi pa ready yung aking hot chocolate. Kain na sila. It's not ready yet on my hot chocolate. What drinks did you get? Here. Receipt. What's wrong? Wala raw hash brown. Okay. Where's Zachary? Tapos na siguro yung kumain. Ito yung egg and bacon muffin. Where's my hash brown? Diyan, pinapalaman niyo yung hash brown sa muffin niya. She forgot to put this.
Yeah, and then put egg with it.
Oh, you don't want egg? Why? Or you don't want that one? Why? Ayaw niya daw ng eggs. Can I have the egg?
Yeah, I would say.
Why? I think you like eggs.
What's wrong with it?
Ayaw niya ng eggs. Laway na si Jen sa kanyang coffee. Is that coffee, DJ?
Yes, it's a jam.
How about you? Caramel.
Huh? Egg.
going home. How's the cold weather, Han?
It's cold out there.
Yeah, sobrang lamig. 5 degrees. Oh my God.
You can't come to you.
Yes, yes. Alright, 7:01 dito sa Victoria. What time in our
6:30.
6:30 sa South Australia?
It's the same old story being told inside my head. I'm too shy to straighten up my bones and be a man. I gotta tear this wall apart to let you in. My friends say the time's running out, so take the chance. Make a move, 'cause this door won't stay open till the end. Won't you tear my world apart? 'Cause I know I need a start to let you in. When it's over, I will see what I've done. Letting go too soon. Oh, I'll be stronger if you just step right in. 'Cause I need a start to let you in. Days pass and I'm still the same inside my head. And I can't stop thinking about what you said. I gotta tear my wall apart. And it's the only way to start to let you in. When it's over, I will see what I've done. Letting go too soon.
We are home, guys. Oh no, what happened? Huh? Oh my God, look at our backyard. Get in, Nak. Hala, look at our trampoline. Parang may bagyo. Oh my God, look at our house. Oh no. The flowers? Ay, wala na tayong trampoline. At saka yung yung swing. Oh my God, pati yung swing. Nung nakaraan daw, ang lakas ng hangin. The what? Oh, look at this. The swing. Ang tagal na ng swing na yan. And tingnan nyo pati yung yung nilagay na mga bricks. Nakaibabaw sa trampoline. Grabe yung hangin. My God. Wala na. Do you think this is broken?
I put this here so it won't.
I know, but look at the brick. What on? I know. So you don't have trampoline. And the tree. Oh. Nasapi yung branch. No, that's sad. No, yeah. Welcome. Ay, get front door daw. Open the front door. Oh. Oh my God. Ha? Ay. Ay, yung kitchen natin. My God. Back to reality na. It's so clean, of course, because we haven't been here. So, ito muna yung heater natin. Ang lamig. Na-miss ko tong bahay na to. Ayan yung mga bata. And yung sinampay namin nung pag-alis na. Okay, put it here.
Just for delivery
Oh.
from.
Ayan na yung ating mga luggages. Dami kong i-unpack. And yung mga boys, do you have training tonight? Yeah, magti-training na sila. Back to ano na sila? Back to fitness. Back to fitness. Magti-training sila kasi sa Sabado may laro sila.
This isn't your fault. This one is my fault.
And si Johnny Boy, ayan, nililinis niya na yung ating fireplace. Kasi ang lamig guys, hindi kaya ng heater na yan. Ayan. Ayan yung dalawa.
Not that log.
Ayan, magpi-PS daw sila. Bukas back to school na sila. And dumating tayo dito ay 11:55 dito sa bahay. Nang tanghali. You got GP na? No.
No, I've been using newspaper, a water, and some wood.
Yeah.
I got my hair.
Yeah. Nice hair, Holly.
Huh? Mommy.
Natutulog pala si John. And kami ni Kuya, tinatry na namin na ma-unpack yung ibang mga damit. Habang si John ay natutulog. Anong oras na ba? 1:23. 1:23. Okay. Na-empty na namin yung sa boys. Ito, yung dalawa. Kay TJ tsaka kay Sak. Ito na lang kay John at saka yung gamit namin ni Holly. Oh, yung trampoline nakakasad. Ayan yun si Kuya. Ay, sorry. Ay, sorry. Ano ba yan? Yung DJ ay yung gamit natin kasi sinana po si Kuya. May training sila mamaya eh. Naka-jacket si Kuya kasi malamig. Si Sak naka-ano lang, singlet. Ah, may hilo na kayo dito sa aking camera. Trampoline natin, guys. Okay, pasok na ako. Tapusin ko yung ginagawa ko dun. Guys, 3:54 na. Mag-training ng mga bata. Si Jan ang magdadala sa kanila. See you. Enjoy your training. You're not tired? Mwah. 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 Love you, yeah. Enjoy. Good luck. Nakaligo na ang Johnny Boy ko. Ayan na ang kanyang outfit. For cold weather. See you, babe. Love you. Mwah. Mwah. Love you. Mwah. See ya. What are you getting? Yung kanya na lang at saka yung sa amin ni Holly ang hindi pa napuput away. Yung sa mga bata, tapos na. Sa boys. Nag-edit pala ako, guys. Oops, nawala na. Nag-edit ako kasi 4 or 5 days tayo walang vlogs. My God. Lagi kasi kami on the go. And then, di ba, paalis din. So, in-enjoy ko talaga yung namin, last day dun sa Bali. Dito na sila. Anong oras na? 6:30 na yan. Nag-upload ako, guys. Nire-edit ko lang to kasi tinanggal to ni YouTube kasi may violation daw. So, rine-edit ko lang. So, ngayon uploading siya. And ang dinner namin is from the Sak. What's our dinner for today? From the pub. There. Kasi ko pa pala yung uniform nila. Okay. Dito na yung dinner namin. First time natin take away. 100, how much daddy said? $164. Dalawang schnitzel na chicken. And then dalawang steak. I know. Gravy. Garlic bread. Ano to? Noodles, cold noodles. We need Zach, we need place of it's really
Oh, spider! Big one!
Okay, so this is the steak. Wala pa kasi kaming mayroon naman pala dyan na beef. Meron pa pala kayong beef. So sabi ko, bukas na lang ako magluto. Pero sabi din naman kasi niya, mag-take away na lang din kami ngayon. Kasi, kararating lang natin. So, is that all yours, son? Are you gonna finish that one? Which one is yours, son? Is it well done? No salad done? No veggies?
Noodles.
Oh, just noodles? No, the other one, the green one? It's very thick. Sauce. You miss this?
Wearing, Mum?
Wow. You miss this, huh?
Slow down, Zach.
Raptors.
Zach, Tito, grab a plate.
Oh, shower. Did you have a bath?
Yeah, I
Tito, grab a plate.
Oh.
I get the box.
Okay. I'll put this one, please.
That's yours.
Okay, this is mine. Okay, kain na kami, guys. And we're gonna close our vlog kasi kanina pa to, di ba? Dalawang vlog to, kahapon siya kanina. Bath. Holly is having a bath. Okay, can you close the vlog, Zach?
Please like, please subscribe, having next time. Next vlog. Bye.
Welcome to Australia vlog.
Yeah, we're gonna go to a Holly.
Bukas back to school na sila. Okay, good night, guys. Kain.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep in the